My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a
simple pineapple fritters. I'm using the batter recipe from the Biro Home Recipes book. That one. For this recipe I'll use a couple of pineapple rings, 100 grams of self-raising flour and water to make a stiff batter. Add cold water to the flour and whisk. When a smooth, stiff batter is made, leave for 10 minutes. Heat some oil until it's hot, because it won't work if you use cold oil. Dip your pineapple rings in the batter. Coat well. And carefully put them into the hot oil. When nicely browned, put them onto a plate with some kitchen towel, soak up a bit of fat. Add some golden syrup. Taste test. Spectacular. That's 8 stars out of 10 on the yummy scale.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.
Service to Edinburgh. Called it Berwick-upon-Tweed and Edinburgh. This train has 9 coaches. This train has on-board catering available. First class accommodation can be found in zones 4 to 2. Standard class in zones 10 to 5.